Hello friends, and welcome back. My name is Sara, and today we are going to be making this super cute messenger bag. I always start out all of my crochet projects with a sketch, especially ones like these that I made from my own little brain. So just putting it down on paper always helps with the planning process and making sure the whole project as a whole goes smoothly. Throughout this video, we are going to be exploring all of the different parts of this bag. It's truly super simple. You're just making a lot of rectangles and then sewing them all together. We will go through all of the different pieces that you will need to make, how to sew them together, and I will even be attempting, this is my first time, to create a fabric lining within the bag itself. Me personally, I single crocheted the whole entire thing, just because I wanted the bag fabric to be a little bit more tight and rigid versus a double crochet that would make it a little bit looser. So this bag is technically made up of 8 parts in total. You are going to need a back panel, a bottom and sides panel, the front pocket, the 2 little front pockets in front of the front pocket, the side pockets, the straps, and the back pocket. The SC stands for single crochet, so for example, the front and back panel was 34 single crochets by 37 single crochets. Putting together the bag was definitely the most time-consuming part. I didn't really plan out that well. I definitely went from the bottom up versus the top down. So basically when you're making all of these things and you're putting fabric on top of other fabrics to create pockets, you definitely want to make sure that the top pockets are all sewn before you put them onto the main part of the bag, because then you will see me struggle, because I did not do that. these cool pieces that I think would have fit in the bag. Here is me testing them out and trying to see the best option. I was trying to choose between like either a pattern or just a simple solid brown to match the bag, or if I wanted like a cream to contrast the inside with the outside, but I ended up going with this simple brown that definitely matched the main color of the bag, and it kind of blended in, which I definitely liked. I've never done this before, but I consulted my little sewing friend, and they basically told me to create a bag within a bag. So cut the fabric to be just slightly smaller than the bag itself, of course always leaving room for seam allowance, and just sewing that together really simply, and then putting it within the bag and sewing it.
favorite part of this bag is definitely the little square that I put in the corner of the pocket. I don't really know what I sewed on there. It's kind of like a face thing, but I thought it was super cute looking. And I definitely think it makes the bag pop and kind of elevates it. It's just so simple, but I love it. Anyway, there you go. There's my little messenger bag, and I hope you enjoyed and have the most fun making this for yourself. If you would like to support me, there are some links down below for you to check out, but thank you so much for making it to the end of this video, and I will see you next time.